We're gonna do a quick tutorial today because I have a ton of things I need to do. I gotta go Thanksgiving shopping, just a ton of things. So we're still gonna go and we're gonna go glam, but we're gonna do a neutral glam. We're gonna be using this. Are you guys excited? It comes out on the 28th. My code ROSE is going to work for it. And it's so pretty. Okay, let's put it to the test right now. First things first, we're gonna grab some P. Louise Base, shade number 2, because we're just doing neutrals today. And we're just going to put this from our brow bone to our lid. Just cover everything. All right, I'm really liking this row right here. These more warm fall colors. I'm gonna start with this shade here. And one of the reasons I'm already loving this palette is that every single shade is labeled. This shade is called Tabloid. So we're just gonna take Tabloid with the MAC 217 and just tap it through our crease. I'm loving how warm and rusty that is. Let me zoom you guys in. I'm gonna pick up just a little bit more and continue to tap over through here. Okay, so I love this color so much that I'm just gonna go ahead and make this my entire lid color today. I haven't done like a soft brown all over smoky eye in 100 years, and they're so easy and they're so pretty and they're so flattering on all skin tones that we need to do this immediately. So just continue to tap this all the way across your lid. You will see a major difference in a second, but for right now, just get your color packed on there. All right, we're getting somewhere, but we're not quite there. You can still see this. So we're gonna grab a Sigma E34 and we're gonna grab the shade Hot Gossip. And we're just gonna tap this above. And once it starts to get set, we can start to do small circular motions, but we gotta bring this all the way across to make sure it's nice and set. Now that that's set, we can start to do our little circular motions and blend this out. All right, we're gonna grab a Smith 247 and we're going into full expose, and we're just gonna pop this up here on my brow bone. And then from there, we're just gonna tap it into that lighter brown and just make sure it's nice and seamless. You can kind of see that melt in right there. This just makes everything look perfectly blended. And the last step for the eye, I'm gonna grab this shade here called Taboo. There it is, sorry guys. With the MAC 217, and we're just going to just kind of shade out right through here. Just a little bit of definition. What do y'all think about that? That was pretty speedy even for me. Okay, we're so fast today, but I'm loving my eyeshadow. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna grab my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer and we're gonna focus this on the center of our face. And then of course through here. I don't think I can live anymore without my Kylie Illuminating Primer. First of all, the packaging, everything. But underneath my eyes, my concealer has just been looking amazing. So we're gonna be doing this one today. Using ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Call Me. My code works on these liners as well, but we're gonna go top and bottom, nice and chocolatey. We're gonna pop on one of my favorite styles from Lava Lashes. There we go. And then I kind of connect it over here. Grab it here and I just make sure it's down. Got my favorite foundation brush right now. Ugh, I love it. I actually washed it too. And 2 pumps of my Smith & Cult Veiled Threat Foundation. And we're just gonna work this into my skin. My YouTube video. Okay, we're gonna do Kylie Concealer. This is more of my color corrector. This is Himalaya. And since I'm a little bit more on the fair side, I'm just gonna use a little bit of it today. This is gonna help cancel out shadows, any darkness, any blue. Love this one. And then I'm gonna grab Gypsum, which now we will just work this in. I already did my chin. So whatever was on my chin is now blending kind of through there with that Himalaya. And then right here. And then we'll do one of my underneath my eyes. It is my actual concealer shade. It doesn't matter how you layer these, so don't worry about that. There we go. So today I actually mixed my translucent powder with my soft pink powder. I know we're wild, but I'm running low, and this is still going to give us a nice brightening effect. So I'm using a velour puff. This one is from Laura Mercier, and I'm just pressing this powder in. We're not going to have to bake today, but we definitely want to get all in our creases, our fine lines. Just make sure that it's all smoothed out, and a velour puff just really smooths everything. So we're just going to set on the sides of the nose and under our eye for right now. Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand in fair to medium. Remember, we didn't set anywhere else. I'm just going to use a really small amount today. And start to blend up. And I'm always blending towards the hairline. All right, we're going to finish underneath. We're just going to go back into Taboo. And we're going to press this underneath our lash line. Kind of connected to our wing. Piece of glitter there from my lashes. I wore these last time I did glitter. So we're just going to bring Taboo to about right there. Back into Tabloid, which is that first shade we used, and we're just going to smoke this out underneath here. I'm going to grab my Kylie blush. This is the shade Winter Kissed. I love this one. And my It Cosmetics French Boutique blush brush. And I'm just going to kind of smirk, and I'm going to hit it really high. And then just bring it right to there. I'm not going to take it all the way over here. I'm just going to bring it to here. I'm going to wear my blush a little higher for a week and see how I like it. Ooh, look at the difference. Blush is so fun. All right, I want to show you. We're halfway through lining. Look at the difference. It just kills me. So I'm using MAC lipstick in Age, Sex, Location, ASL. And then I'm also using MAC Cork lip liner. So that's what we have going on here. Last thing, I'm going to spray my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day. I'm going to leave a flyer for you guys. Gerard Cosmetics is already having an amazing Black Friday sale. You are not going to want to miss it. So make sure you swipe up in the next snap. All right, we're all done. I'm gonna finish my inner corner highlight over here. Obviously, I'm out today to go finish shopping for my Thanksgiving table. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for the holidays. I am so ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. It's still very glam, but honestly, a few of you have been asking me to do a matte smoky brown. So there you go. I love you guys, and I might be on Snapchat today because I like to keep my stories over here, but like my life on Snapchat. So I might start using that. You can add me if you want to. I'll leave it right here.